Adding tags in GoHighLevel allows you to categorize and organize your contacts based on specific criteria, enabling more targeted marketing and better segmentation. Here's how to add tags in GoHighLevel. Log into GoHighLevel. Sign into your GoHighLevel account and go to the Contact section in the left sidebar. Select a contact. Find and click on the contact to whom you want to add the tag. You can search for contacts or view a list by applying filters. Add a tag. Inside the contact's profile, you will see a section labeled Tags. Click on Add Tag and the drop-down menu will appear where you can either select an existing tag or create a new one by typing it in. Create a new tag. If you want to create a new tag, simply type the name of the tag and hit Enter. The new tag will be added to the contact's profile. Save the tag. Once you've added the appropriate tag, make sure to save the changes and the tag will be associated with the contact. Automate tagging. You can also set up workflows in GoHighLevel to automatically apply tags to contacts based on triggers.